Today I drawing Kaguya Shinomiya. Step 1. Sketching. Step 2. Coloring. Hello, today we are going to color this girl. I still use Goma 228 color soft heads. Let's start with the hair today. Because it appeared before, sometimes you add hair after the skin is finished. In the end, it will appear that the skin color is not enough. So I'm going to start with the hair today. At the beginning of the hair, the hole must be more careful. Can't put it on the skin, just try not to go out at all. When the bald head, let's start with light colors. After the light color is added, to overlay it with its second dark layer, pay attention to the edge when clamping, especially when it comes to the side of things. Leave it alone, then use a slightly lighter color from before to make it a gradient. Such a color has a color gradient up and down. Step 2. Color change. Next, let's look at the sleeves of the whole dress. Heel skirt. It's the same color as the hair, so we'll just settle for these colors to give it layer by layer to superimpose. At this time, we can add the skin. I used a light color for the first layer of the skin. Then I think it's not enough, so this time I found another photo YR2. Slightly darker skin color to give everyone satisfaction. The highlight on the side is for it to flow out. After adding, let's find a slightly darker color. Go back to the shadows under his hair. And then there's the color on the cheeks. And the changing colors of the shadows on the arms. Go and add it to him at this step. Just do a basic light-dark relationship. Then find another deep one, color, and then put the heavy color on it again. Then we are ready to start drawing the eye. Or find the light red one first. Then add a layer of darker red. Use a deeper. Emphasize the heavy color inside. Then finally we use darkest reddish brown. Go find the heavy color and shape in the eyes. Finally, let's find a needle pen or beauty pen. You go put it inside. Add details to the eyes. Highlighter, just a little highlighter and the eyes are done. Next we're going to start adding the white. White. Let's add a white shadow. The brightest place with white. We just need to make room just to give it the color of its dark side. Or find a lighter gray first. Light gray to add. Adding the first layer of base color. Let's superimpose it on top of it again. Darker color. Just like this layer by layer to find its layers of color. Layer by layer destacking from shallow to deep. In this way we are in a gray. It will also vary in depth. But notice the whole left side. The left side is a dark side. The right side is a light side. The right side should stay lit. There will be some small changes in the dark, so keychain TINANN to and then make some small changes in it. So the whole person is going to give him a base. After the base is finished, look for the color change. Add his darker color. Finally, let's give him the background. First, go find him his big color block. Look for the color change inside the big color block. For example, which two colors to gradient. Then we'll go and put other small places. Go at it. Finally, the wall and the sofa. Go give him a floor. He also notices some changes in his color. Finally, our painting is finished. Have you learned it?